WBS has been delivering distance learning for 40 years now. They're a genuine world leader when it comes to online education. So at the heart of the learning experience is my.wbs, which is our custom in-house virtual learning environment, which has been designed specifically for the needs of WBS students. So as a student logs on to my.wbs, and because it's a module page, almost everything they need for studying that module is self-contained. So you'd naturally have your typical study materials, your video material will be on there. There'll be links to wider resources and their reading list. There'll be areas for them to have peer-to-peer interaction, with the idea of it really being a single place where students can go and engage with the learning and get everything they need for that learning journey. Alongside that, we have a number of different spaces that we use for the creation and delivery of teaching. Probably the most notable is Smart Stage, which is our broadcast quality digital lecture theatre. And students love Smart Stage, particularly because it's a brilliant mechanism for that peer-to-peer interaction, but also that academic or lecturer to student interaction. And so those sessions are incredibly engaging and students love them. So it's incredibly important for us that those students that are studying online feel part of a community. And so we incorporate peer-to-peer interaction as a key part of learning design, and our custom virtual learning environment, my.wbs, supports that, and we actually build that into all of our modules. A key part of that would be the forums. And within that forum, you'll have students on the same cohort discussing that learning material. They may be querying that material, they'll be grappling with it, they'll be trying to understand the nuances of it. But also crucially, we have academic staff in those forums guiding the discussions, helping out students, enhancing their learning, all with the goal of building that online community where students feel like they're part of something larger and they're part of a whole with their cohort. And so we've built our teaching and learning platforms and experiences to reflect that goal of a truly world-class education. It's an incredible virtual learning environment, and one that gives us the flexibility to deliver education in a really unique way that you would only get at WBS.